I just gave a presentation for the communication workshop of AidEx conference in Brussels. Several states, both in the global north as well as in the global south, have become more reluctant to cooperate with refugee organizations. So therefore, public communication has really become essential for the operations of refugee organizations. I loved also the feedback of other people during the Q&A, which was very relevant for my own research. But of course also very interesting to hear the other presentations, Amani Kadur, but also from the team of 89 Up.
What we're trying to do is kind of break their filter bubble a little bit and get them to think a bit more laterally, because otherwise it can all get a bit stagnant and lose its impact, quite frankly. Seeing people who didn't know each other actually come together and kind of think up quite decent campaigns in a very short space of time. With a very small amount of guidance, people come up with, with fun ideas.
We're working on a campaign on distributing seeds to local farmers in Burundi, trying to come out with a slogan to spread the words to local farmers, to take more seeds from the government.
So we're trying to see how we can put the right kind of pressure on local government in order to get crop and seed to market. And I really feel that some of the lessons that we've learned here this morning we can really incorporate into our own communication to be way more effective in order to help generate much more impact.